Please enable it. Host, you have disabled
Yeah,
it.
yeah. Go ahead.
As you see, we have different and multiple options to do this thing. Like if we use uh, these templates, and we can have a separate. As you see, we have done this before. We have used this template, and make a slide that looks very good. We have used the simple uh, numbers, 5 numbers, and then we have also incorporated the visuals in the slide number. I think it was a previous slide in your deck. Similarly, what we can do, we can use more different slides, more different templates, like this one. If we can have vertically aligned the four or five things, but I think this is also used the right to left, maybe like this one, the around, that will be working around one thing. If you see here, we
Mhm.
could have one option, and the other fives we do here.
Mhm. Yeah, let's.
Let Because this is the one we used, and five part, right? Donut five part, and the other what is like similar. Okay, this is also one, but presentation go.com. So this donor may work for this. A little bit of change. We have these five things over there, and the main line we could have on it. What do you think? Similarly, but this umbrella will maybe if slide is going like we can use this one instead of umbrella. We use some other visual, and we place those five things over here and the one thing over there.
Yeah,
So
sure.
these ideas we can use. Like this one, this is good. I think good placing. Just use this placing for making. So let me download
Okay.
this one. What happened to the internet here? So, so this is a kind of that we can use. We can change this one that is already there. Let me see if this is the so just taking the idea from there. Okay, and what we can do if you see this is the slide that so instead of going from left to right, we can use this kind of thing. So we are coming from up to down, and we use some visual inside it. Like it could be it just have the idea that we may have like this one. We may have this circular in the between that can replace that donut, or we can also have this donut kind of thing ups and down. Okay, just to
Mm.
change the layout of this thing. You're getting the idea.
Yeah.
So like this is good idea, this placement is good. Let's try this one. And
Okay.
I already this is the placement, so what we
Remember,
can do.
remember that if we're gonna use that umbrella, we need to change the colors on all of it, right? Red, black, like that.
Yes, we can try it as well. I was actually thinking about to replace that umbrella.
And also the raindrops. What slide is this for?
Yes.
Which slide is this gonna be for? Do you want me to give you the updated presentation with the new slides? I think you should have the updated version.
Yes, please. You can share that one. Have you shared that one?
Yeah. What's up? Oh, hold on. What I just shared with you, it didn't come through. Oh shit. Hold on. It didn't send. That's why it's doing that. My internet is slow. Hold on. Hmm, So annoying. Um, Man, hold on 1 second. It's not wanting to share because of the internet. Let me try again.
Okay, if you have, when is your meeting schedule?
I really need to leave soon. What I was gonna have you do is I'm sharing with you the presentation, which if I download it from the web, it should also have the comments in there, right? That I left and my team left. You should be able to see those, right?
It should be there. If it is in the PPT file, then it should be there.
Okay, read those comments so you can familiarize yourself with all the different comments that she made. For the most part, she's basically said I need to make it very, very specific as far as the content. She did not really make comments about the designs. She really liked the designs. I mean, I told you this company, they're very bad at PowerPoint presentations. So any better than like they just literally put words and text and no pictures, nothing on their PowerPoints. So I think the design, whatever we create, they're gonna be very happy with it. It's just like it's mostly me and you are gonna meet and we're just gonna design the stuff and then we're gonna leave it flexible so I can change the content underneath it as we go. But the content
Okay, I
change
think
is
the
really stuff that I need
idea
to do on my own.
idea we just discussed. We use these
So
templates
yeah, yes.
for
That's
each
your
and every
homework
time to make.
is to figure out, yeah, like have the design, this kind of ideas ready to go. So when we meet, we can just start designing. Because I'm giving you the slides, so you already have an idea of all the content we're gonna go with each of the slides. So you just kind of have these ideas
Let
ready to go. So when I meet with you tomorrow, we can just start designing it.
Okay, for these 5 slides, I will be working on it. Okay.
Okay. And I can meet with you during my daytime tomorrow. As soon as I wake up and finish my couple of meetings in the morning, I'll send you a message on WhatsApp.
Okay, we will align.
Okay, sounds good, brother. So let's just call it tonight so I can go and then let's link up tomorrow.